there was a very strident campaign against Yiddish in the 30s and 40s on the part of Hebrew enthusiasts. They were organized in what was called, I mean, the most extreme group was organized in what was called the Hebrew Language Battalion. The Battalion of the Protectors of Hebrew Language. Gdud Maginei HaSafa HaIvrit. And they were very vociferous. They threw stones at a theater that showed a Yiddish film in Tel Aviv. They were very much against and succeeded to prevent the establishment of a Yiddish department in the Hebrew University in the late 20s. And so this carried over, and people really, I guess people really were so enthusiastic about creating a whole new culture, a whole new person, a new world, in effect. When survivors started coming, it still is a very complex relationship of Israeli society to the Holocaust survivors. And on the one hand, there was the sense that wasn't shared by everybody, but still affected, I think I would say, affected a broad view of they should have come to Palestine. Never mind that, there were stringent quotas and it was impossible. And they couldn't have gone to other places. Well, they should have come when they had a chance. It wasn't so simple. It sounds nice. And then the survivors started coming, and they were in such terrible shape. And they spoke Yiddish, so it was another emblem of their sorry state, and who wants to be like them? Some of that comes across in David Grossman's Sea Under Love, which has been beautifully translated into English, the first chapter. I mean, the whole book is an expression of the Holocaust experience starting in Israel in the 50s and sort of going back and forth. It's a very nonlinear, but fascinating, one of the great books. Yet entire neighborhoods did speak Yiddish, survivor neighborhoods, but they were somehow out of the mainstream of Israeli culture. I could understand that. At the time, I didn't condone it, but that's what it was. And as I say again, fortunately, I did not have any family members immediate family members who were survivors. Maybe if I had had firsthand experience with survivors, I would have developed a different attitude.